I think we're just gonna have a chill evening, watch something on the TV and then head to bed because it's been a long